In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this cool AI image under 2 minutes with a new text-to-image tool from Bing. Bing Image Creator is an AI-powered tool that lets you create images from words with AI. You can type any text prompt you want, and Bing will generate an image for you based on your text. For example, let's say I want to create an image of a portrait of Tomura Shigaraki, a character from the anime My Hero Academia. I can type something like this: a portrait of Tomura Shigaraki, gray tone. And this is what Bing will generate for me. But before that, here's a quick tip for you. Make sure to keep the description close to what you have in mind with minimal words in the prompt. Here's the image it generated. As you can see, Bing created an image from my text prompt that looks pretty realistic and detailed. It captured the character's features and expression well. It also added a gray tone effect to make it look more artistic and dramatic. If you want to try out Bing Image Creator for yourself, you can click the link in the description below and start creating images from words with AI. It's free and easy to use. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Subscribe.